Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on the Hyundai Kona 2023 model, and later. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to assess the battery health of your 2023 or later model Hyundai Kona, you can utilize the inbuilt vehicle's infotainment system. So the infotainment system provides real-time information about the battery status. So now in order to do this is access the touchscreen display. So turn on your vehicle and navigate to the central touchscreen display. Then navigate to EV information. So select the EV or energy information menu typically found on the main screen. Then we need to review battery details. So the display will show state of charge, current battery charge percentage, and also estimated driving range, projected distance based on current charge. And here's some extra tips for maintaining good battery health. So to prolong the lifespan of your Kona's electric battery, avoid frequent fast charging. So regular use of DC fast chargers can accelerate battery wear. Also, keeping the battery between 20 and 8% charge can reduce stress. And use the preconditioning feature before driving, especially in extreme temperatures. Also, consistent use helps good maintain battery health.